Hi, this is Mark Montross from Catamount Realty Group. Today we're here at 9 Jackson Heights in Essex. We're here to view this fantastic home. Great location, close to the gym. You're about 10 to 15 minutes from Burlington. You're close to the parks. There's also a golf area as well. Restaurants, shopping. Great area to be in. Let's go ahead and just kind of give you a nice little glimpse around the neighborhood here. Give you kind of a feel for it. What's great too is that if you want to jump on the interstate, you're close by the interstate. If you like Costco's, you definitely got Costco's nearby as well. So it really is a nice central hub here. You can see you got a 2-car garage, nice backyard. Now that we've seen a little bit of the outside, let's go ahead and take a look at the inside. Okay, so here we have the inside of the home. When you first come in, we're going to go upstairs and just check out this amazing floor plan. Very open, bright and cheerful. Let's go ahead and pan around, give you a nice view. As you can see, you got a fireplace there, hardwood flooring, and of course, love the bay window. Always gives plenty of natural lighting throughout the home. And of course, this is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home. We're going to go into one of the bedrooms now. As you can see here again, big large window, plenty of natural lighting, big closet behind there. And let's go ahead and give you a nice view here. Love the way that little corner piece tucks in, perfect for a bureau. Again, this is neat. I love the transition piece. Give you a nice overview here. As you can see, very nice open floor plan, breakfast bar. You've got doors that go off to the patio in the backyard. Over here, you're going to have a formal dining room. As you can see, again, very big. If you love to entertain, you've got a lot of space here. Off to the back side of you have another bedroom. Again, a lot of space. This one actually has, I guess, probably 10-foot, 11-foot ceilings to it. So it really gives a nice feel. Give you another overview of the dining area. As you can see, again, plenty of windows. And of course, over here, we've got a full bathroom. So again, very nice. You have that bedroom, and then you have the bathroom to go along with it. And as you can see, too, you've got a pellet stove, great for some extra heat in the wintertime. And again, just want to give you a nice overview of the space here. Coat closet off to the side, and then we're going to go into a couple additional bedrooms. And again, here you've got another full bathroom. What's nice here too is that you've got a spot here where you can put a first floor laundry. Over here you have the other bedroom. And again, love the windows. Always nice to have the natural lighting to it. Of course, I always love the built-in bookshelves. And then over here, we've got another bedroom. Again, always love having windows. Of course, here you've got 2 closets over here. And then we're going to pan around, and you're going to see that we've got storage space, and then we've got right there another closet. So again, plenty of room. Downstairs, we've got a partially finished lower level. We go off to the left. Nice little area. You can make an entertainment room. Again, plenty of space down here. Make it an office, workout room, whatever suits your needs the best. Another small room here, again, can be used for many things. And then of course, so here you're going to have a bunch of storage space. Definitely no shortage there. And then off to the left is where you get to the attached 2-car garage. So again, this is 9 Jackson Heights in Essex. If you have any questions, give us a call. You can reach us here at 802-825-1353, or you can visit our website at catamountrealtygroup.com. There you'll find the Matterport 3D camera. You also have a drone video and a bunch of other information. We look forward to hearing from you.